Okay, go.
Alright, we're back with Cooking with the Kibbies. This is part 3 of the stromboli making. It took us about 1 hour to cook our stromboli. Different ovens will take longer or less, depending what type of oven you got. So we'll come over here and we see what we got here. Nice golden brown, that's what we're looking for. The reason it took an hour because we had ours overstuffed. So, and it's been resting for almost 40 minutes. So we're going to cut into one. They're kind of blended together. Kind of expanded while they're in. Okay. Nice and heavy too. The reason you want to let it rest because if we cut it way too soon, all the cheese would just ooze out. My employees are going to love me because that's what I'm taking to work tomorrow. Oh, look how pretty that looks in there. Nice and cheesy with all the veggies in there. Just perfect. You can make dipping sauces if you like marinara or butter and garlic, whatever you choose to. The Kibbe family likes it just like that. Kelly, I wanted to thank Kelly, my assistant, but she's out front finishing off a 12-pack, and my camera guy, Dustin Gordon. Thank you very much.